Hello everyone. Today this video is the hidden Google Ads feature that can save you thousands. Every click on Google Ads costs money, but what if I told you there one simple feature that can stop you from paying for the wrong click? It's called negative keywords, and it's one of the most powerful tools for reduce wasted ad spend. Without negative keywords, Google may show your ads to people who are not looking to buy your service. You end up paying for a click for users who were never going to become a customer. And that means your advertising budget is being wasted. Let's say you own a roofing company and your target roof repair. Your ad could also appear for searches like roof repair jobs or DIY roof repair. Those people are not looking to hire a roofer. They are looking for a job trying to fix it themselves. Those click cost money but don't generate leads. The solution is simple: add negative keywords like job, free, targeting, and course. This is proven your ad perform appearing in irrelevant searches and keeps your budget focused on people who are actually ready to become a customer. When you filter out irrelevant searches, your traffic become more qualified. That lead to be better click-through rate, strong conversion rate, and fast, fair, less waste ad spend. A well-managed negative keyword list can reduce waste budget, improve bid quality, lower cost per lead, and increase your overall return on investment. Small changes like this can have big impact on your campaign performance. Follow for more practical Google Ads strategies that help local business generate more local whole spending less. Thanks for watching.